Hi guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning, and I just want to share a few things with you, okay? Uh, I have a 4.9 star rating on Google. I've been doing this for 35 years. I've serviced over 10,000 vehicles, well over that. Um, I've been doing this for a long, long time. I know 2,600 detailers globally that I have connections with. I've learned a lot of information thanks to some of the icons that I follow. And I've actually met a lot of them in person at SEMA and in Chicago. And I've actually been out west in Canada and met some more detailers out there as well. It's a wonderful industry to be in because a lot of the top professionals are very willing to share their information. I've actually been trained by two of the top instructors in North America, which is fantastic because I was very lucky that I had that opportunity, and I appreciate it every day that I'm in here. My garage is very modern. Okay, I do work out of my home, but I've custom built everything to make my job a lot easier. Okay, it's climate controlled in here. When we do our ceramic coating, all the coatings are done at 70 degrees, which is nice because the coating cures at the exact same rate every single time. So it's very easy for us to get a nice clean finish on the car and not have any high spots. I'm also not only a member, but I am on the board for the Canadian chapter of the International Detailers Association. For those of you who don't know what that is an international board that sets the standards for professional detailers around the world. Now, it's nice because that standard means that we have to take tests to see if we actually do things the way that they recommend doing it. And I've been a member there now for probably 5 years. Okay, I've been to SEMA, and I met a lot of the actual producers of these products. Okay, and I appreciate the fact that I've had the opportunity to do a lot more than most detailers get a chance to. Okay, my customers have been phenomenal. They've been very loyal to me. A lot of my customers have been with me since the beginning, since I started Delta Car Cleaning a long, long time ago. And even when I started off before that in my father's driveway, I still have some of those customers today that reach out to me and get vehicles done. It's awesome. I really do appreciate it. I'd also like to thank everybody in the industry that's extended their hand and given me great, solid advice. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here today. I'd still be working with a garden hose and a wash mitt. The equipment has changed over the years, and I've invested a lot of time and effort into upgrading all my equipment in the shop. We have state-of-the-art equipment in here. That's why we're able to produce such a fine product for our customers. When we clean your vehicle, we're cleaning it the same standard as if we were taking this to a car show. We try and make it look absolutely immaculate. We try and get it as clean as we possibly can. That's why I named the company Extreme Car Cleaning, because we do go a little bit overboard when it comes to cleaning the vehicle. Okay, my standard's not the same as everybody else. Not everybody is looking for this much cleaning when they want a detail done, and the prices are set accordingly. So if you would like your vehicle detailed by a professional, okay, that's well seasoned, give me a call and we'll set you up. We'll get you in here for an estimate, and I will lay out a whole bunch of different options for you. Okay, and you let me know what you would like done with your vehicle. Okay, we do everything from interior and a wash all the way up to professional grade ceramic coatings as well. Okay, and we also do polishing, road paint removal. We do fallout removal. We do all kinds of different things in here. So if you have any issues with your vehicle whatsoever, and we're not able to clean it, I will know who you can turn to or what your next step would be, or I can find out for you, because like I said, I am connected to 2,600 detailers around the world, which is nice, because when you can just click a button and be in touch with people and get an answer right away, that's awesome. It's nice to have that option. Okay, so like I said, I've been doing this a long time. Okay, if you want your vehicle done properly and you want somebody that you can trust, if you look at my ratings and my reviews, okay, I have a lot of satisfied customers out there. And unfortunately, 30 years ago, there was no Google reviews, or else I would have a lot more today. And like I said, I've done over 10,000 vehicles. So the fact that I've done over 10,000 vehicles and I still have a good reputation, that says a lot. Okay. Anyways, if you want to get a hold of me, the number is 519-965-5990, or you can check us out through extremecarcleaning.com. There's lots of videos in there. You can see our work and judge for yourself. If this is the level of detailing you would like done, reach out to me and we'll take good care of your vehicle. We'll get you in here for an estimate and let you know all your different options, and you tell me what you'd like done with your vehicle, okay? Thanks again to everybody that's helped us get to this point. I really do appreciate it, and we look forward to seeing you now that the weather's broke. Okay, I'm very thankful that the spring is coming, and it's not going to be that far away. Okay, so come and see us. We'll get your vehicle ready for a nice long summer, and you can enjoy your summer in a nice, clean vehicle. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.